To hang these today, I'll be using these drywall anchors. Now these are a new style of drywall anchors, better than the original ones, and I've already used them on 2 projects and they worked great, so figured I'd use them for these as well. And yeah, I don't need, how much weight can these hold? These probably can hold a considerable amount of weight each, but I just want something to be sturdy. So the first thing you do when you are hanging something is mark the hole where you want it to be. And I'm going to put this right in the center. Just do right there. And now we have a hole. And then next thing you do, you put the point right in that hole and then you just knock it in. Simple as that. We have a level. Let's get that centered where we want it. Put the lever on it, and when you get that where you want it, go ahead and mark this hole. And then we'll do the same thing with the next one. Knock that in. All right, that's in there. And now we can start screwing these in. So let's go ahead and pop that in there. All right, got that one in just to get it started. This one. Oh yeah. And that is not going anywhere. Nice snug fit, and it looks like the bottom one can tighten a little bit more. And yes, that is why I love these. They are really good for getting a nice snug fit. All right, thank you for watching. You have a blessed day.